Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm never not gelling my hair again. Because I look like a freaking clown. My poor baby has a sinus infection and we're trying to make her better.
Does juice make my eye twitch?
I bought her a shot, an immunity shot from Whole Foods. And a power juice from Whole Foods and some sushi as a little treat for her because she's been feeling so crappy. About to edit a vlog, episode 32 I believe, if I'm not mistaken. That one's good. Yeah, it's like a regular fruit juice. And then we're just gonna be chilling. We haven't done a whole lot of very interesting stuff lately, which is okay. I've turned the camera on anyway because just trying to document the realness, you know? We're not gonna be going places every day. She likes it.
It's tangy.
Hey Mikey, I think she likes it.
Who?
She's pissed. She's pissed. I'm making her drink that before I give her the sushi. Show me the bottle. You call that a sip? You were like...
I took like 3 extra sips.
Alright, well, take one more.
Get away from me.
One more little one. One more little one.
Okay.
Alright, I'll accept it. My little baby's still sickly. I feel so bad for her. And I want to get going to the gym so I can get back to her. And we can have a little treat.
Yeah. Can't wait for my treat. Our treat.
You can hear Diego snoring in the back. His eyes open. We should do that tomorrow.
Yeah.
Ooh, is that what for the Bertucci's? So as you know, we're trying to be frugal because we're trying to save, and we have some gift cards we want to use for our Valentine's Day date.
We have to find where these places are. There's one called Bahama Breeze.
Oh.
I mean, there's Yard House.
Yeah.
And there's whatever, but
Seasons.
we should take reservations.
Cheddars.
Let me do a reservation. Oh, here's 6:45 on the 13th. It's my dermatologist appointment. 6:45 in the morning.
We already went to that, right?
No, it's this April. Friday. So.
Word. So I'm gonna head to the gym. I'll catch up with you guys after. Do you guys want to see
Yes.
me at the gym? I mean,
People want to
let me
see
know.
it.
Let me know.
I want to see it.
I know you want to see it. Do you want to see it? Let me know, seriously. Drop me a comment. Good morning, guys. Another brick day here in New England. It's cold. What's up, security light? Just on my way to the 9 to 5 right now. It's Friday. Thank God. And oh, you should really. It's a shame that I really dislike my 9 to 5. You know what I mean? It kind of keeps me motivated, though. It doesn't kind of. It keeps me motivated to keep pushing, but I get excited for the weekend because I can spend more time doing this. With that being said, I hate not living on autopilot Monday through Friday because I don't. I'm being aggressively patient, which basically means remain patient. It's not going to happen overnight, but in the meantime, do everything that you can to make your dreams happen. Andy Frisella coined that term, obviously, and the security light's going away. Let me turn this on. I get excited for the weekend because I can spend more time getting content for you guys and putting myself out there and filming more of my life and documenting it and bringing more value. So that's my thought of this morning. I already went to the gym. I got up at 4. I told myself I'm gonna start getting up early and going, and do some fasted cardio in the morning every day. Try to help prepare, get that extra body fat off for the summer. Get that beach bod, son. And then at night, obviously, do my weight training. But yeah, it's Friday, baby. I'm in a good mood. The Shui is still not feeling good, which sucks. But she's on the right track, I think. Taking her medication and stuff. Getting over that infection. Let's do this. What's up, guys? At work right now, obviously. Had to come outside to my car just to take a quick breather. We had someone collapse at work, faint, whatever you want to call it. We had the paramedics come and take them, and I just wanted to come on the record and thank God for my health, my family's health, my friends' health, your health. Thank you. When shit like this happens, it really puts it in perspective. Whatever problem you're going through, whatever challenge you're facing, if you're healthy, if you're vertical, you really have nothing to complain about. And it's crazy because I was just complaining about, you know, how I disliked my job like earlier today, and when I should really just be grateful and give gratitude that I'm breathing, that I woke up this morning, that people close to me are healthy and alive and well. And so I am so happy and grateful for that, and I really appreciate that fact. Just, man, because you never know when it's your time to go, when your number's called. That's it, man. And fortunately, this person seems to be fine, but it really is scary when something like that happens, because you never know. You could be. I've known triathletes who have fainted and died out of the blue, you know, and you don't think about that stuff. You know, you forget. You take life for granted. You take being on this earth for granted. We all do. We just don't think about it because it's the way it's supposed to go. You're supposed to live a normal, healthy life, right? But things like that happen, and we have to always remember that our time could be any day. Which is why if you're not doing what you love, if you're not following your passion, if you're not doing what you want to be doing, there's just another reason why you need to go get it, because this day on earth could be your last one. Scary, man. I just kept thinking, like, what if that was one of my family members that happened to? What if that was my fiance that happened to? What if it was my sister, my brother, my mother, you know? One of my best friends, what if it... Just scary, man. So, I'm grateful for my health. I'm grateful for waking up, being alive, and having another day on this earth. What up? Feel like I'm starting to lose my voice. Kind of sounds sexy, right? No, it doesn't. I think that I'm just gonna chill tonight. See how Lily feels tomorrow. Damn, I look good right now. This is great lighting. Just wish my voice wasn't so messed up. I'm gonna take a picture. Sleeping Beauty? Hello? Hello?
Or the light.
I know you're up here in the darkness. I'm free. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Appreciate you checking it out. If you found value in this video, share it with one friend. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Thank you as always. I will catch you in the next one.